Recently, McDonald's has come into news because of the significant E. coli outbreak which has been witnessed in more than 10 of the states of United States, and this has led to even casualties because this is considered as a deadly disease specifically for younger population. Now, E. coli, how and why it is spreads. So it's believed that E. coli exists in the cow manure. So when we are moving towards an agriculture which we say should be organic, this E. coli outbreak had been a significant issue. Now, how can this be stopped, right? So there has been a very inexpensive remedy which has been done by the researchers Russell, and this talks about use of soda, which is the carbonate. Now soda, which is in the form of soft drinks, has carbonate, and this carbonate actually converts the carbon dioxide into carbonate and stops the E. coli growth. So even if we talk about urease, which is one of the enzymes that is found in the urinary urea, it actually breaks down the urinary urea and releases carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide converts into carbonate, the same which could be used by the soft drink carbonates, and this is one of the effective we could say methods to curb it. Similarly, chlorination is another important method to control the outbreak of E. coli. Usually when we say if you are using manure to urine, it should be in the ratio of 1:1 to curb it and to kill the E. coli. So from the amount of, let's say, lakhs of E. coli, this reduces to a count of less than 10. Now, if this is the ratio of 1:1, we say this is the best ratio that could be used to kill the E. coli. However, there are cases where dairies are executing 2.2 times of feces versus urine, and this is a case where we have seen persistence in the E. coli that exists, and therefore proper methodology should be adopted to control the E. coli outbreak, and carbonates could be a good way, and soda carbonates could be really one of the most inexpensive and successful ways to control this E. coli outbreak.